I heard noises.
Girl, look at that booty.
Girl, look at that booty.
Girl, look at that booty.
Ow, that's party.
Look at them poogie.
Next thing you know, something like crashes like, oh no.
And it's not part of the thing.
Those are scary faces right there.
What? What happened? What happened?
Something like popped out and scared us. I'm scared now.
Woo! This is the best ride ever, man. This goes so fast. Hey, what's up?
Oh, God. Hi, Dad.
Dude, I'm gonna ask all the guys, hey, what's up?
Whoa, that's creepy. The actual person?
Yeah.
Creepy. I don't like that noise in the back. It's with the tires and stuff.
There's no tires.
What? I didn't see anything. What? You're so
Yeah, there's somebody like right there. Hey, there's somebody right there following the train. Hey, what's up?
Oh, God.
I find this more entertaining than scary. Oh my God, this is the best.
Dracula's castle.
I like how he did that. I
just
looked
darted
backwards.
out of nowhere.
I like how that one person that walked by, I looked backwards, I was like, hello, she's like walked by and all of a sudden nonchalant.
Oh, God, that's so creepy. Can't really see much, but it's funny hearing it screaming.
You know you're awesome when you creep out the people.
And you
that
still
scare
see
you.
you still see some stuff. What is that? Oh, it's a. Take me with you. The pirate's leg. Oh, God! Oh my God!
I like how, aw, too bad they're not allowed to have physical contact with you because I'd high five them.
That's really creepy.
Hey, it's my mom. I mean, my dad.
Oh, God!
Yeah, man. Power to the people.
You kicked. Someone kicked me.
Sorry.
Oh my God! This is so. I was not expecting this.
Oh my God, that one kid said no chainsaws. He probably was scared of shit right there.
What did I tell you?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Oh my God, Daniel! Are you okay? You screamed so loud, Daniel!
Come on, man. Come on, somebody give me a high five. Wait, it's going slower.
Mom, see, this is more. It's. Oh God. That was so creepy. He's like.
I'm gonna try to kick out one of the people that were here.
I'm so scared.
You got this stuff.
They just.
Yeah!
I think they waited. They'll get you when you least expect it. Oh God. He just ran! He keeps walking. He keeps walking by ours. He wants to get you at the. Ah! Close to the bushes.
Oh wow, it's getting dark. We're gonna get the shit scared out now.
I haven't seen one on that side yet.
Yeah, something's gonna come on that side.
Yeah, it's gonna come. I thought there was someone on that side. That was you, Steven.
I was making fun of his.
Oh my God, we have another one. Oh God, no.
Don't worry, there's no plate on it.
I know it's. Oh God, that's attractive.
Why is no one coming out there? Well,
I'm scared.
There's somebody. What? Sorry.
Is that it?
well, there's gonna be somebody on that side.
It's like 10 minutes long, remember?
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be on that side next time.
I'll stop recording for